Friends, here we are talking about installing Ansible. See, as I told, we are starting with Ansible-Core and we are following pip method to install your Ansible-Core or Ansible community. This is the command. See here, you can get your required version for your Ansible core or Ansible community from official documentation of Ansible, that is docs.ansible.com, or simply open this website. From there also you can navigate to official documentation. Let me open this link. So here you can search, let's say, Ansible-core. See, as of now, this is the latest stable Ansible core version. Just click on that. And this is the command to install your Ansible core. But before installing this Ansible core on your host, make sure that you have the required Python version for this. So that information you can see from this page itself. Scroll down. Here you have Ansible release and maintenance. Just open that in a new tab. Then this will redirect to your official documentation of Ansible. Now here scroll down. Community information, then Ansible core information. We are going with 2.14, so for that required Python version on controller is 3.9 to 3.11. Now let me verify the Python version on our controller node. So Python 3 space hyphen version. Yes, we have 3.9.x. So we are fine with Python version for your controller node. Then what is the command to install your Ansible core? Simply copy this and paste it. See here, it is with pip, but sometimes on your host you may also have Python 2 version. That's why to make sure that you are installing with Python 3, just use pip3. And also if you provide simply Ansible-core, it is going to install always latest version. But let's say I need 2.14.5, then better to provide your required version. Now run it. See the result. It has been installed your required Ansible core. Now verify that simply by running Ansible space hyphen version. See that we have Ansible core version 2.14.5. That's it. Thank you.